road trip, guys. We're headed to Minnesota. Got my boy Danny driving. We're buying a Bobcat S70, a sidewalk machine with a snowblower. Exciting. And we're here. There it is. There it is, folks. S70 in closed cab. SB 150 snowblower. Morning, guys. Another snowstorm. Son of a bitch, this is a windy one too. My god. Well, we're at it again. We got my boy Danny, cameraman slash plow driver. We gotta take care of this HOA complex, about 73 units, and we're gonna hop on to another 200 units. Right now we're clearing off the streets. Then we'll start back dragging the garages and then clearing the streets again. I think we're gonna wait maybe a few hours, and then the sidewalk crew will start coming in and start taking care of the sidewalks. We'll take some footage right now and show you what we do.
it's the money. The money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money.